Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. In this video, we're going to talk about a little bit more about the blend tool in a different way to kind of use it. I'm going to take a 2-point line and I'm going to keep it red, but I'm going to make it a 1 point. Then I'm going to hit the plus key. I'm going to move it down, holding down the control button, and I'm going to make it yellow. Now, if we select these two lines, I've got two objects selected. I'm going to go to effects and blend, and this is the way you normally blend. I'm going to blend it a few more times this time, like let's blend it 200 times. Then hit apply. Now, the blend is made up of a couple of parts. You've got your starting line, if you can grab it. See, when you grab that, you grab the whole thing. But if you grab your starting line, actually with the shape tool, you can right click on it and turn it into a curve. And then grab the very top line. It's a little tricky sometimes. Select both nodes, turn them into a curve. And then you could move your handles. You can actually grab it in the middle and do like this. And because this is a curve, now you can do this. And it looks like and when you unclick it, that blue line will go away. And you could, manipulate it any way you want it. Let me get this thing blacked out so we can see it a little bit better. And you could still, grab that same line. Have a little bit of difficulty grabbing it. Let me zoom in here. And, you could add a node, and look what it did. It completely changed the outlook of it. I mean, making this a big swell and a little swell, and you could change the color. Let's change the color. Hopefully it'll work. Let's select all these nodes, and I'm going to go make it blue. And look at that now. I don't think it looks as good as the red, but maybe if we grab the other, and I'm using the shape tool to grab these things. So you just have to grab the 2 nodes or 3 nodes, and let's make this green. Must not have selected them. And make it green. Well, let's make it red and see if it changes. Oh, I need to right click. I was trying to left click. So you can do a lot, you could still take your shape tool and grab this last one and look at that. You could change it however you really want. Anyway, and then when you click off of it, that line will go away. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.